Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find password and security. Now let's tap on system security, and here we have to take a look at the section app installation, where we've got only one option, installation sources. So let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And if you'd like to allow, for example, Chrome to install something, just find it and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that, you're doing it on your own responsibility. So if you're ready, just tap on allow, and as you can see, right now the Chrome is active, which means that it is allowed to install some content. And of course it will work the same with all other apps here. And you can turn off all previously given permissions. Just find the app you'd like to turn off and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, right now the Chrome is not active. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.